As we continue to delve deeper into our own brains, we're increasingly realizing that intelligence is not a unique situation. Octopuses, for example, are highly intelligent animals that don't have a brain like ours. Instead, they have what's called distributed intelligence, which allows each tentacle to literally think independently. But it gets even stranger when intelligence emerges outside the animal kingdom. According to a new study published in the journal Fungal Ecology, the kingdom fungi, mushrooms, may have their own intelligence, enabling them to recognize basic shapes and make decisions in the networks they build. You'd be surprised how capable fungi are, Yu Fukasawa, the study's lead author, said in a press release. They have memories, they learn, and they can make decisions. Frankly, the differences in how they solve problems compared to humans are amazing. When biologists talk about fungi, they're not just talking about fungi. The bulk of a mushroom is located underground in a root-like system known as a mycelium. Mycelium networks, made up of thin threads called hyphae, can be extraordinarily vast. In fact, the largest organism on Earth is a fungus colloquially known as the humongous mushroom. It resides in Oregon's Malheur National Forest, with its mycelial network covering nearly 2.5 square miles. In addition to being large, mycelial networks are known to be able to communicate information along their networks, much like neurons in a human brain. The scientists placed several wooden food sources for their fungus, Phanerochaete velutina, in two different arrangements, a circle and a cross, to see how they would form their mycelium. Each block was pre-colonized with a respective fungus. Theoretically, if these mushrooms grew like a plant, they would grow in a circle around each of the blocks, completely unaffected by the positions of the other blocks in the experiment. They would continue to grow from a central point. But that's not what happened. Instead, the mycelium chose efficiency. The mycelial network saw no benefit in overexpanding into an already well-populated area. From this data, the researchers concluded that the mycelial network was able to communicate with other parts of itself, much like a neural network in a brain, making decisions based on that information. It grew strategically so as not to waste resources and communicated with other parts of the network.